Now we will explain curvature tensor or Riemannian-Christoffel tensor. So first we shall use covariant differentiation. Okay, so let us consider AI be covariant vector. Let AI be a covariant vector, then covariant differentiation of this vector, covariant differentiation of AI is delta J AI. Okay, and this is equal to, this can also be written as AI comma J, and here we will write this equal to Aij. Why? Definition of covariant differentiation. So definition of delta J AI equal to del yy del xj means partial differentiation of AI minus a Christoffel symbol Aij. Okay, this is the definition of covariant differentiation of covariant vector. So we shall use this definition in curvature tensor, means for obtaining the formula of curvature tensor. So here we shall use this notation, delta J AI equal to Aij. If we differentiate second times covariant, so delta K delta J AI, this equal to delta K delta J AI, and this can also be written as Aij K. Okay, so now Aij K is equal to, we shall use this definition here. So delta K delta J AI equal to, this is equal to Aij K, this is equal to delta K Aij, means covariant differentiation of covariant tensor. This is a tensor of rank 2. So here we apply definition of covariant differentiation of covariant vector, but here covariant differentiation of covariant tensor. Okay, so this is equal to, this is first term is partial differentiation, means del Ax K Aij. Since these indices are lower, so here minus sign, minus Aj Christoffel symbol Aik minus, now we replace J, so Aia Christoffel symbol A, here we replace J, so here J K. Okay, so now putting the value of Aij or Aaj and Aia from this definition, this is the value of Aij, because delta Ji equal to Aij and delta Ji is equal to this thing, means this equal to Aij. So by substituting the values of aij, aaj and aia by this definition. So we get delta k delta j ai equal to, so this is del x k, this is aij is equal to del upon del ax j ai minus aa Christoffel symbol aij. So this is first term minus, this is Christoffel symbol, so aik in multiplication. Now putting aaj, so del x j aa minus ab Christoffel symbol baj minus this Christoffel symbol ajk, and value of aia means del y by del x a del ai minus here we replace this index I by another index b, so ab Christoffel symbol b I a. So this is the last term. Now this equal to, this is the partial differentiation. So here this is del 2 upon del x k del x j ai means second derivative of ai minus here product of two function. So first we differentiate a, so del y by del x k aa into Christoffel symbol aij minus aa as it is del upon del x k aij, and similarly we multiply here, so this is Christoffel symbol aik del aa upon del xj minus this is multiplication, so ab Christoffel symbol baj aik, again this is minus minus plus minus Christoffel symbol ajk del x ai minus minus plus, so plus ab Christoffel symbol bia and ajk. Rearranging this term means rearranging the term means del k del j ai is equal to, first we will write as it is del 2 ai upon del xk del xj minus Christoffel symbol ajk, this term del ai upon del x a means this is second term, first term as it is, this is second term ajk del upon del x a ai plus ab Christoffel symbol AIA. This is B A B B I A, here B I A, and Christoffel symbol A J K. Okay, so there are 1 2 3 terms, and remaining term means minus Christoffel symbol AIK del A upon del x j, means this term minus AA, this is AA, Christoffel symbol means del x k, del x k, Christoffel symbol AIJ, this term plus, here plus AB BAJ AIK, Christoffel symbol BAJ, and next AIK. So total number of terms 1 2 3 4 5 6, but here 1 2 3 4 5 6 and 7. One term is AIJ minus AIJ del x a, this is remaining term, so this is minus gamma AIJ del upon del x k a. So total 7 number of terms. Now interchanging j and k. Now interchanging j and k, means this is 1, so we interchange j and k in equation 1. So we get del j del k ai is equal to, we interchange j and k mutually, so this is equal to del 2 ai upon del x j del x k minus gamma a k j del ai upon del x a, this is second term, plus ab, Christoffel symbol of second kind, BIA AKJ. So these are three terms. Next, here minus gamma AIJ del AA upon del XK minus AA del upon del XJ, Christoffel symbol of second kind AIK, plus AB gamma BAK, this is AIJ. Now last term minus, this is AIK del x j AA. This is equation second. Now subtracting two from 1. So if we subtract 2 from 1, so we see here this term, this will cancel here. Here AJK, so here AJK, here AJK, AKJ, because this is symmetric. We know Christoffel symbol of second kind is equal if two indices are symmetric, means AKJ is equal to AJK. So this cancel. Second, this is first, this is second, and this is ABBIA. So this AIJ, AIK. So here we see that how many terms here. This is AA, means on subtracting 2 from 1, so AIJK minus AIKJ. This notation can also be written as del KAJ, del K del J AI minus del J del K AI is equal to, so this equal to minus AA del XK gamma AIJ plus AB, means we have this term, and then next this term AB AIK, or AB, this Christoffel symbol AIK BAJ plus AA del XJ gamma AIK. Here if we subtract 2 from here, this is 1, this is 2, so only remaining term minus AA, this term is AA AIJ del upon del XK, AB AIK, this is second term, and if we subtract, so sign will be changed. So here AB AIJ, this is AB AIJ BIK, this is, and next term is AB, here AA del upon del XJ, means this term. So remaining term will cancel. Okay, all the terms will cancel out, means del K del J AI minus del J del K AI. Okay, or this can also be written as AIJK minus AIKJ. So this equal to, I want to take common AA. Here A and B are dummy indices, so we can change. So we take common AA. So here AA, so this first term is minus del upon del x k, Christoffel symbol aij, okay, plus del upon del x k. Here this common, so del upon del x j plus this is second term, this is first term, this is second term, so del by del x j comma a I k. Okay, here b, so we will change b by a. It means since a and b are dummy, so here a, b is equal to a, so here a, and a is equal to b, so here b. And similarly here b equal to a, so here b is equal to a, so here b a, and this by b. Since a and b are dummy indices, so we can change, so we will take common, so here a is common, so this minus, so this term a is common, so here b I j a b k, okay, and this is first plus term, a is common, so here b I k, Christoffel symbol b I k, and a b j, okay. It means this can also be written as, we can write firstly plus term and then minus, so a del by del x j a I k minus del by del x k a I j plus b I k a b j minus a b k b I j, okay. So here this is the definition of curvature tensor, okay. So we define curvature tensor. Curvature tensor is this thing, means definition of curvature tensor, the notation of this a I j k, so a I j k, this is the notation. And what is the definition? So r a I j k, this is equal to del upon del x j, Christoffel symbol a I k minus del by del x k a I j plus Christoffel symbol a, we replace k by another index m, so m I k minus a km m I j, okay. So you can write here a I j k, so here a I j k, here a I j k, m is dummy, and here a I j k, m is dummy. So this is the definition, okay. This definition, so we get a I j k minus a I k j is equal to a r a I j k. So this is very important definition, r a I j k. This is called curvature tensor. This is 1-3 type tensor. 1-3 type means in contravariant 1 index and in covariant 3 index. So this is a tensor of 1-3 type. this is the important remark that is curvature tensor can also be written as Riemannian symbols of second kind. Okay, means Riemannian symbols of second kind is R, A, I, J, K. We will explain in next lecture Riemannian symbols of first kind, which will be 0,4 type tensor. Okay, so you remember there are many synonyms of curvature tensor, means Riemannian Christoffel tensor or Riemannian Christoffel curvature tensor or curvature tensor or Riemannian symbols of second kind. Okay, properties of curvature tensor of second kind means Riemann symbols of second kind. So first property is this is skew symmetric in two indices, means RAIJK is equal to minus RAIKJ. This is skew symmetric in two index J and K. Second property is RAIJK gives two value, means if we put A is equal to A, first upper and first this, so this is equal to 0, and if we put upper and third, so this is equal to Rij. This is very important tensor known as Ricci tensor. So we will prove it one by one. So proof of first. Very easy to. We have R A I J K. So by definition, del y by del x j Christoffel symbol A I K minus del y by del x k Christoffel symbol A I J plus Christoffel symbol A J M I K minus A K M I J. Here M is dummy index. You can put either B or C. So this can be written as, if we take minus sign common, so this is equal to del y by del x k Aij minus del xj Aik, and this plus gamma Akm Mij, this minus gamma Ajm Mik. Okay, so this is very easy, only we take common minus sign. So by definition, this is equal to R A I J, this is I K J. Therefore R A I J K is equal to minus R A I K J. So first property established. Now this is very interesting that second and third, means R A I J K gives two value, means if we put A is equal to I, means A is equal to I, so this is 0 tensor, and if we put A is equal to K, means if A is equal to K in this definition, so we get Ricci tensor Rij. So now we will prove this second and third. So we have R A I J K is equal to del y by del x j A I k minus del y by del x k a I j plus gamma a j m I k minus a k m I j. Putting a is equal to k, putting a is equal to I or is equal to k. So first we put a is equal to I. So here r a j k is equal to del x j gamma a k minus del x k gamma a j I is equal to a plus a j m gamma m I is equal to a k minus gamma a k m a j. Okay, now we have by the property of Christoffel symbols of second kind means a k is equal to del x k log root g. Okay, so this is equal to del x j here del x k log root g minus del x k. Property of this thing is del y by del xj means partial differentiation of log root g plus remaining terms plus a j m a k minus a k m a j. Okay, now this is second order partial derivative means this is del 2 upon del x j del x k and this is del 2 del x k del x j. We have second order partial derivative commute means this is equal to del 2 log root g upon del x j del x k minus del 2 upon del x k del x j log root g. Here a and here m is dummy index and a is dummy index, so you can change. Here j and k are free index, so we cannot change j and k, we can change m and a. So here aj and here jm, so either we put here m is equal to a, so this is a, and a is equal to m, so this is m. Okay, so m aj and here a m k. Okay, and also this is commutative in these two indices, so this can be written as gamma m j a m k minus a m k is equal to km minus m a j. Okay, so these are cancelled out, so this is equal to 0. Last property means in R a I j k a is equal to k. Okay, so we have R a I j k is equal to del y by del x j a I k minus del x k a I j plus Christoffel symbol m j, so sorry, a A J M M I K minus A K M M I J. Here this is A. Okay, this is A. So now we will put A is equal to K. Means putting A is equal to K. So we get R A I J A is equal to del y by del x j gamma A I A minus del y by del x A gamma A I J. This is very simple, means only we put A is equal to K, and in place of K is equal to A, plus A J M M I A minus A M M I J. We shall use the property of Christoffel symbols of second kind. Means we have Christoffel symbol of second kind AIA is equal to del upon del x I log root g. Okay, so we shall use this property. So this is equal to del y by del x j del y by del x I log root g, putting this property, and minus del y by del x a I j plus here a j m m I a as it is, minus here also we will put property, means first we will write here m I j and del y by del x m log root g. This is, so we can write here del 2 upon del x I del x j or del x j del x I, because second order partial derivative commute, minus del y by del x a I j plus a j m m I a minus m I a del y by del x m log root g. Okay, here m is dummy index, so this can also be written in very simple form, means this is RAIJ, so this is also written as RAIJA is equal to RIJ. Okay, it means RIJ is equal to, first we will write this term, so minus del y by del x a gamma aij plus del 2 upon del x I del x j log root g minus, this is minus MIA, or you can write this term, no problem. Here I and okay, this is here, this is last term, here IJ, MIJ, not MIA, so MIJ, this is MIJ. Okay, so minus gamma MIJ del y by del x m log root g, and then plus AJM MIA means here in left hand side IJ in lower indices. So here IJ A dummy, here IJ, okay, and here IJ dummy, यहाँ dummy A dummy IJ. So this is correct, okay, and this is called Ricci tensor. This is called Ricci tensor. So this is Ricci tensor, very important tensor, and this is symmetric means Rij is equal to Rji.